Hello, my name is Daniel from DealerVu, and today I would like to show you how, with the help of this utility, our users will be able to authenticate the use of their Gmail account to send emails within the DealerVu application. The first step you are seeing here is the step where we assign a company ID and a store ID. A company ID is a unique identifier that we give to each one of our customers. Some of our customers do have multiple locations, and those are usually divided into stores, so we allow them to also choose what store they are trying to authenticate. Once we have that information entered, we hit Load Gmail Info. And what you'll notice here is three fields were populated. First is the authentication ID. The second is the Gmail account and password. These are pulled directly from a secure location within the DealerVu application. Once we have that information, we would now click on Sign in with Google. This will prompt you to pick your user account, type in the password. And now because the app isn't validated yet, we're getting this, but if we hit advance and go to DealerVu, you will now see the actual request for access that we are looking for. By clicking on continue, we now get a confirmation that the verification code has been completed, and we are now able to do a test email. If I hit send test email, it will now give me a confirmation that email has been sent. Now I go into my email account and I see that the email is there as well. Now that the authentication process has been completed, I'd like to take a moment to show you how we are using the Gmail account to send our customers emails. So DealerVu is a system that invoices customers, and sometimes they request an email version of their invoice. So here is a sample invoice, and the way we typically send it is hitting on File, hit Email Invoice, and it's going to give you a warning before we send it. If we hit yes, it will now send that email to the customer as an invoice and give you a confirmation that it has been done. And if you were to go back to my inbox, you can see that the invoice has now been sent to the customer. This concludes the short video on how, with the help of a utility, DealerVu will allow its users to authenticate the use of their Gmail accounts within the DealerVu application, and also how DealerVu uses that information to generate an invoice to email customers from the DealerVu application. We thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.